Okay, Susan, putting the battery inside. Just to use, actually, that's not going to work too well. Probably a butter knife or something will work, but I have this tool here, which helps. Standard battery that you can get at any Dollarama. And like I said, it's number 377. Okay. Come in 5 packs. There's a little ledge here on one side. You just kind of tuck the battery underneath and just push down. It's flat. Before you put the back on, you just confirm that it's running, that the battery is still good and it's in the right spot. And you see that there's a little notch on the battery back. You just make sure you line it up with the stem of the watch and push it back on until you hear it snap. So basically you're making sure the Pepsi logo is lined up straight on the back. Okay, and that's it. As easy as that. Like I said, you don't need to go to a fancy jeweler and get them to do it for 20 bucks when you can do it yourself with a couple of home tools. Okay, it'll be on its way in the Canada Post, and I'll send the tracking number. Thank you.